Hey, it's Joe Tamaro from WetheadPumpRepair.com. All right, welcome back to the Hayward EC40 Pool Filter Repair Series. This video is sponsored by PoolandSpa.com. So all parts being used in this video, or if you need a new filter or anything like that, can be purchased at PoolandSpa.com. All right, the first thing you want to do is hit that subscribe button right below the videos. That way you get the latest and greatest videos delivered to your inbox every time we publish. Okay, so like I said, we're back with the Hayward EC40 pool filter. This is one of the many steps, so if you haven't seen us take it apart yet or disconnect all the pieces that we've already disconnected, go over to PoolandSpa.com or the YouTube channel here, and you can follow from the beginning, all right? So here we go. We're back. We were just explaining to you in the previous step how to remove all these fingers, how to clean them and everything else like that. And then the last step was we showed you how to put them in by sliding them in. Okay, so at this point, like we said, we are now have all of our fingers put back into the EC40 bottom tube sheet. Okay, this thing right here is called the tube sheet. There is a top and a bottom tube sheet. Okay, we have now put all the fingers back into the tube sheet. Now, once all the fingers are back into the bottom tube sheet, we are now going to take our gasket, our rubber gasket, and we're going to place it on the edge right here. Okay, you can see how there's a groove right in here. Okay, and there's also a groove in this gasket. Now, if your gasket is dry, broken, stretched, or if you lay it on like this and it's not tight, and it looks like this, maybe, if it's pulled away like that, or maybe if it's pulled away like this, okay, say your gasket's pulled away like that or something, then you probably need a new gasket because it's stretched. And like I said, those are available at PoolandSpa.com. All right, so once you have your gasket laid on there like that, okay, you want to make sure it's in that groove. You're going to then take your top tube sheet. Okay, now on the before you had put the tube sheet flat, but in this time you're going to be now taping the tube sheet and put the flat part on the flat surface here. Okay, so you're not going to be putting it flat side up like you did last time for the bottom. You're going to be putting it like this with the honeycomb side up. Okay, what you're going to do is then you're going to look for these bolt holes right here, and you're going to line those bolt holes with the bolt holes that are around the edges, just like this. Okay, so I'm just going to line my tube sheet up like that. I'm going to look in there and see it's lined up. Now, once my tube sheet is lined up, the holes on top and bottom are lined up, I'm going to then take my screws right here, or my bolts rather, and I'm going to stick them through the top tube sheet, and then I'm going to put the bolt or the nut on the bottom, okay? Just like that. Now we're going to give you an up close look in a minute, but I'm just going to get my one bolt started here, okay? And then what you want to do is you want to do this all the way around the tube sheet, okay? So there's one, okay, you got your one bolt, and then your one nut. I'm going to do another one right here, okay? I'm going to put it in right here. You'll tighten it up, and then you're going to go around, and you're going to tighten all these nuts and bolts around the whole tube sheet, okay? So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, so you got 10 of them going around. And then once you put them all through, just like that, we're going to get ready to put in the center shaft. Okay, remember, all these parts are available at PoolandSpa.com. All right, we have all the videos from the first step when we were taking the whole complete EC40 filter apart. So if you are looking to take your whole EC40 filter completely apart and rebuild it just like we have done on video, you can watch from the beginning. All right, so there you go. I basically put in like 4 of my bolts already. I'm going to continue going all the way around. Then I'm going to tighten them up with my nut driver, okay, just like that. So here we go. I'm going to show you now and turn this on the side, just like this. Okay, so you can see what you want to do is take a nut driver just like this, an adjustable wrench, and you got the bolt here. See that bolt there, like that? You want to put your adjustable wrench on there, just like that, and you want to tighten it with a nut driver, just like this. So after you get all your bolts in there, just snug them up with a nut driver. Not too tight. You don't want to get it too crazy tight where, you know what I mean, where you can't get them off next time, but you want to tighten them up pretty good. All right, so there you go. That is how you install the top tube sheet on the Hayward EC40 filter. All right, so go on to the next step now. In the next step, we're going to be showing you how to put back in the center shaft and how to check the O-rings and everything else like that. All right, and that's it. So please subscribe to the videos. Check out PoolandSpa.com. All parts are available there, and thanks for watching. Peace.